Now the moment you've been waiting for. Oh my god, I'm so scared. In this video, I'm creating the ultimate 2024 look with Harper's Bazaar makeup predictions. If you are curious about the 2024 makeup trends and how makeup will change in 2024, keep watching. Harper's Bazaar has given us some exciting insights into the beauty trends 2024 will bring, or at least those are their makeup predictions for 2024. I decided to combine all of these 2024 makeup trends into one ultimate 2024 look. I'm going to start with skin because that's what I normally do in my makeup routine. The prediction for that is skincare infused makeup. So I'm gonna do just that, infuse skincare into my makeup. Before that happens, I need to prime. This is like one of the most important steps in makeup routine. Prime away, and this is of course pore filling. I'm not even going to act like I haven't done this before. I feel like everybody has done this, right? This is like concentrated serum, so I'm doing 2 pumps. This should make me glow. If this won't make me glow, nothing happens.
Does it make me glow?
I personally need more coverage, but that's a different issue. I cannot see how this couldn't be beneficial. You're just adding an extra pump of hydration into your foundation. So I approve this trend. I'm just going to do my concealer and powder so I can move on to the next step. Now I'm going to combine 2 trends into one. One of the trends is graphic eyeliner, which I absolutely love this trend. I love to bring color to my makeup looks and I love to wear color in my eyes. Absolutely love graphic liners. Don't know how to do them. Let's mix our liner. I will be using those color activated liners. Another trend that they are predicting is all about aqua colors. This is a close-up of my aqua shade. I think it's pretty good. Now the moment you've been waiting for. I suck at graphic liner. I cannot make it the same for the life of me on both eyes, so I will be using a spoon. I hope this is going to work because I really don't want to redo my whole base. I'm going to put this spoon in a way that I can easily put it the same way on the other side. Keep in mind also my eyebrows are not symmetrical and they're not on the same level, so obviously this is why I'm having trouble with graphic anything. Let's see. Okay. The worst thing is that I can barely see what I'm doing because I'm holding the camera angle. Okay. Oh my god, I'm so scared. Oh, wait. This actually kind of worked. I'm shook. I might just try to reposition the spoon. Look at this fail. It did not work how I wanted it to work. Obviously, because I'm an idiot and I use the spoon for eyeliner. Thankfully, Q-tips are here to fix everything. Let's try the other. I know, why do I already think that it's a bad idea? I definitely put this one up higher than this one, but I really don't want to do this again, so I believe I can fix this. And this is how I get a 4 centimeter thick line. Goodness, I struggled with this so much. It's still not even close to being even, but you know what? This is the best I can do. Everybody has their limits. So the next trend is 80s revival, and I thought for this one we can do green winged liner to complement our blue and color block a little bit. So now I have a green water activated liner, and let's hope this doesn't look stupid. And I will very quickly just offset the craziness of those colors with some brown eyeshadow. I want to add to this look because I think it's coming up to be really cute, and I think it's just one thing missing, and this is sparkle. I am going to use yellow highlight with my finger just in the middle of the eyelid and just blend it. Oh my god, I was right. I am a genius. I'm a genius. I am a genius. Okay. This is so cool. If I fuck it up now, I'm gonna be so pissed. Oh bitch, this looks so good. Adding a cool toned pink blush because I think this will be perfect for the 80s revival also. And it will tie everything together. Little on the nose. Okay. I can fuck with that. Last trends are for the lips. The two lip trends that they predict is blurred lip, and ombre lip. Now, ombre lip I love. I do it pretty much every day. But blurred lip, I'm not really keen on that trend. And no, I didn't know how to combine both of the trends. Then I thought, Naomi John. If you guys don't know Naomi John on YouTube, she does this really cool technique. She overlines her lips, then adds a gloss and smudges the top. That's how I'm planning to combine the two together. Let's hope it works. This look is already a little much, so I'm gonna do nude lip so we don't look absolutely crazy. Smudge the insides first, and this is for the ombre, and now for the top. I feel like I need a brush for this. I really don't like this blurred lip. I never did this on myself, so it looks so weird to me. But this is as much blur as I can tolerate. I'm using a pink gloss because I feel like it complements this blush. I honestly normally love my Cupid's bow really defined, so this trend is not one for me. It does look interesting. I'm just going to quickly finish up the rest, like contour, eyebrows and eyelashes, and I'll be right back. This is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more beauty content. And let me know in the comments, what do you think about these 2024 makeup trend predictions? Till next time!